Guys, I just casually like got rich. Look at me. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, my name is Emily. Welcome. Little disclaimer, I don't know why my face looks white and my body looks orange. When I look in the mirror, I look normal, one color, but then on camera, I'm like, what? Today, I'm showing you some ways to make money using your phone. This is really cool to me. I've made a lot of favorite iPhone app videos in the past. You guys really enjoy them, but I thought today I would focus it mainly on making money because it's summertime. We all need a little extra cash. We all always need a little extra cash, and anyone can do these things. No like age limits. You don't have to be a famous YouTuber, like none of it. Okay, let's hop right into this. Go, my phone won't unlock. Okay, app number one is called Feature Points. I've talked about it in a few other videos in the past, but I thought I'd bring it up again because it's like my holy grail for making money. I'm gonna run through it kind of quickly because I feel like a lot of you guys might know it already. Basically, when you open it up, it gives you a list of apps to download. When you download these apps, then usually you have to like open them up, use it for 30 seconds or something like that, and then you get points which can be redeemed for gift cards. I always get the PayPal gift cards because that's basically just money. And I think we all want money here, you know. This app isn't in the App Store. I don't really know why, but I'll link it down below so you can get it on Safari. It's completely safe and everything. I have made hundreds of dollars from this, so I definitely trust it. Also, if you want 50 free points when you sign up, use my referral code. I'll have it right here. Okay, app number two I actually just found, and it's so cool. Let me pull it up on my phone so I can make sure I explain it all correctly. This app is called Ebates, and it's pretty much, wait, let's find it. It's a cash app back. What? It's a cashback app. So basically, here's a list of apps and what percent you get back. So for example, if you shop at Champion, you get 6% cashback, and all you have to do is click link and it'll link it to your credit card or debit card. And then when you buy anything from that website, you automatically get that percent cashback. So I don't get why you wouldn't do this. I don't know how I didn't know about this. It has like everything. I'll have this linked in the description as well. Okay, the third app is another one I've talked about before for sure, but I love it. I actually talked about it like a few videos ago, but in case you missed it. This app is called Depop, and it's an app where you can buy and sell old clothes. Well, when I say old, that sounds gross, but like previously owned clothes, you know. It's like thrifting, but in an app, and you can search for everything, which makes it a lot easier. So if you want like a Champion hoodie, you could search Champion hoodie, and then a ton of them will come up. Okay, but that's not like the money making aspect, you know, that's wasting money. Well, not necessarily waste it, but losing money. So I made my whole closet purging, cleaning out video, and then all the clothes that I found that I didn't want anymore, I listed on Depop. And people will buy them. It's honestly pretty easy. Like, you don't need a following, you don't need a YouTube channel where you're like, hey, check out my Depop. Most of the people buying my items have no idea who I am. They just like randomly search for some item and I happen to be selling it, which is really cool. Like, you don't need followers, you just kind of randomly gain followers. You don't have to do any promoting or anything like that. You can check out my Depop if you want to, but not the point of the video at all. If you have a Depop though, comment it in the comment section and maybe I'll check it out because I like buying stuff. If you'd rather sell your clothes just to people you know so you don't have to ship out or any of that, I've seen a lot of people at my school making second Instagrams where they list the clothes they're selling, and you can just promote it on your main Instagram and people you know will likely go over and follow and maybe buy some of it. You can give it to them in person, whether it's at school or like bring it to their house. Okay, the final thing is for all of you who have YouTube channels, but what's cool about this is you do not need to be a big YouTuber at all. You can have like, I mean, I don't know. If you have like 1,000 subscribers, you can totally do this. Or you could even do it if you have 0 subscribers. As long as you're posting a video, you can try this out and maybe it'll work. You can make money through affiliate links. And I know a lot of times like you think of those like this person's sponsored by the brand and then they get an affiliate link and when people click on it, they make more money. But I recently found out that you can do this without a sponsorship or even working with a brand at all. They don't need to know who you are. The one I've used is through Amazon. So all you have to to do is sign up, then just put your YouTube channel link, or you can put an Instagram, a Twitter, like a blog if you have that. So then you can make a video talking about some product, and then if people go and buy the product through your link, you get a share of the money that the company makes. It is so cool in my opinion, and I'm being real, like I've made a good amount of money through there. Actually, I can make even more than my AdSense money, which is pretty crazy. Okay, so those are my ways to make money online and on your phone. If this helped you at all, if you found some new way to make money, be sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're new here, press the bell icon to turn on my post notifications, and if you want to, check out my social media. I try to post on there pretty often, and of course leave video requests down below, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!
Sometimes I walk a little faster in the school hallway just to